Hello, my name is Michael Vargas, and we're going to talk about the best screencasting software. But before, we need to know what is screencasting. With the screencasting, you create tutorial videos for your students. A screencast captures the actions on a user's computer screen, typically with accompanying audio and occasionally with added animations, graphics, or video within video. In the same way that a screenshot is a static representation of a computer screen at any point in time, a screencast captures what happens on a monitor over a period of time. The audio track can be the sound from an application being demonstrated, a narrative from the presenter, or background audio from another application or audio file. Some common examples of screencasts are tutorials, training videos, video lessons, and recorded presentations. Next, we're going to talk about some benefits of screencasting in the classroom. Screencasts give students a collaborative audio-visual learning environment. They are helpful to those who learn best through seeing rather than hearing or reading. Screencasts help improve self-study. There are many free screencasts on YouTube, Khan Academy, Lynda, and many more. Screencasts allow students to learn by examples. For instance, see a step-by-step procedure in a detail, or easily understand a technical term through a simulation. With screencasts, students become more proactive. They can learn at their own pace, watch, pause, or replay videos whenever they want. There's no need to get up early, get dressed, take a bus, you name it. Comfort is a great benefit. Screencasts help improve students' attention and retention compared to the classroom and text-based learning. Screencasts offer students 24/7 online access to knowledge. Learn anywhere and easy to review lessons before tests and exams. Also, students create their screencasts to prove that they understand, or they can record a video to share their ideas with the teacher. There are three types of screencasts: narrated screencasts of desktop or website, narrated slidecast video, and interactive tutorial. We're going to talk about the three most popular softwares in this presentation, which are Camtasia, Screenomatic, and Screencastify. Before to talk about this software, we're going to give you some tips to select the screencast that you need. We have to take in consideration is if they are easy to use, we can offer help to design engagement, if the features present video editing, if it has customization options, it has classroom extensions, what are the sharing capabilities, if it's free, what is the price, and also which platforms they can work. We're going to start with the Screencast-O-Matic. This one is available to anyone, like Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, Chromebook. It has a capable free version and also a premium video editor. With the free version, you have free recordings up to 15 minutes. Also has a mobile companion apps. It offers online storage and publishing. It doesn't have an OCR functionality. It can only export images as a PNG files, and it doesn't offer scrolling capture. The paid plans open up many advanced video editing features, from drawing to green screen to blurring. The deluxe tier costs $1.65 per month, and the premier tier costs $4 per month, but the prices increases depending on the number of users. Next, we're going to talk about Camtasia. Pros of Camtasia is very easy to learn. Clean setup and simple user interface. Camtasia is built for video editing beginners. It has an impressive screen capture feature, the best screen recording feature. Also has a unique cursor effects. Overall, Camtasia is built-in and effects are limited, but the cursor effects are awesome. It has interactive features. Camtasia allows you to add interactive quizzes directly to your video. Camtasia has an excellent asset library that offers the basic needs that you need. Camtasia also offers a mobile version. This free app is for iOS and Android. And Camtasia has a great customer service. Some of the cons of Camtasia are: it presents constant crashes and bugs, it has a limited customization, it doesn't have a keyframe tracking, it has a poor keyboard commands, and also you can have issues with exporting. Price: Camtasia can be purchased for a one-time fee of $249. Next, we're going to talk about the Screencastify. This one is only available in Chrome. Screencastify makes it easy to record, edit, and share videos on your computer screen. Recordings can easily be shared via email, embedding code, YouTube, Google Classroom, and more. The best part of Screencastify is that it is an online tool and offers the best balance of functionality and usability. Submit is a new feature offered by Screencastify. With Submit, teachers can generate a quick assignment and share a URL with the students. The Screencastify offers a free plan along with a subscription. The free version lets teachers do everything the paid version can do, but with limits. The significant limitation is that recordings are capped at 5 minutes. Still, this means if you work within 5 minutes limit, then you'll get more features and functionalities than the free version of the other tools. The paid plan starts at $29 per year for educators and $49 per year for everyone else. They release the 5 minutes cap, allowing unlimited submission of assignments, among other things. In conclusion, screencasting software is a great tool to enhance learning and teaching. The different softwares has excellent features, and you should choose one with the options, tools, and video qualities you need. From the software presented, the best software is Screencastify because it's user-friendly and low cost. Next, we can see the references right here. Thank you.